In this video we are going to dive in depth into some of the unique features within the KipwareM cycles. Features that allow anyone to create professional G-code that contains professional programming options like cutter compensation, climb or conventional milling, and so much more, by simply clicking a button or a checkbox. All milling cycles give the users the ability to create a roughing program, finishing program, or both, by simply clicking the desired button. Tons of options are always available to the user. For example, in this Qualify Stock Cycle menu, the user can select to machine both ends or just one end. In addition, the type of roughing can be set to zigzag or one direction, and either climb or conventional milling for both roughing and finishing. All the user has to do is select the desired button and KipwareM does all the work. Cutting direction options are always available and selected by simply clicking the desired button. Either climb or conventional milling is always selectable and can be set different or the same for roughing or finishing. In addition, when applicable, the user can select to finish the bottom surface or simply finish the profile by selecting the desired button. All milling menus give the user the ability to rotate any shape by any user-defined angle. For example, take a rectangular pocket and rotate it 35 degrees by simply inputting the angle of rotation. When finishing, the user always has the ability to turn on cutter compensation in all milling menus. Just choose the direction and input the offset number, and KipwareM takes care of generating all the appropriate startup and cancel blocks in the G-code. One of the most powerful features in KipwareM is the ability to describe a cycle once and have it repeated at an unlimited number of locations, automatically. We can illustrate this in the round pocket menu. Within the menu, the user has the ability to click the Define Locations button. XY coordinates for standard patterns like a bolt circle, grid pattern, or along an angle can be auto-calculated and recorded by simply filling in the blanks. Point locations can also be read from a DXF file or just manually entered. This feature, for example, allows the user to create round pockets in an unlimited number of locations by completing one single menu. We'll continue to dive deeper into KipwareM in our next videos.